Hi everyone. In today's fast-paced world, safety on the road is critical. That's why AI-based dash cams are becoming essential for businesses with fleets of light vehicles and trucks. One of the features that make these dash cams valuable is collision avoidance technology. In this video, we'll dive into how collision avoidance technology works in AI-based dash cams, helping drivers stay safe and prevent accidents. Let's start with the basics. Collision avoidance technology is a combination of cameras, machine learning, and artificial intelligence that work together to detect and prevent potential collisions on the road. When we calibrate the dash cam, we enter the vehicle measurements, like how far from the front of the vehicle the camera is mounted, how wide the vehicle is, and if the camera has been mounted in the center of the vehicle or has an offset to either side. Our AI-based cameras are continuously monitoring the vehicle's surroundings in real time. The data collected by the camera provides crucial information about the car's position, speed, and the movement of other vehicles and objects on the road. This data is then processed by sophisticated artificial intelligence algorithms in real time. These algorithms are trained to recognize various objects, such as vehicles and pedestrians, and try to predict their future movements. The AI system continuously assesses the risk of potential collisions based on the data it receives. It calculates factors like distance, relative speed, and trajectory of surroundings. It combines these factors with the measurements of the camera position from the front and sides of the vehicle, plus a buffer to calculate the threat of impact. When the AI system identifies a high-risk situation, it can issue warnings to the driver. These warnings can include audible alerts, visual warnings on the R-Watch monitor, or even haptic feedback via a seat vibrator. Although these AI-based dash cams try to warn of frontal collisions, like any technology, they come with their own set of challenges, especially when it comes to detecting invalid events. AI systems struggle to predict a driver's sometimes unpredictable actions, such as sudden lane changes or aggressive driving, which may lead to incorrect threat assessments. In heavy vehicle situations, multiple vehicles in close proximity, especially those parked on the side of the road, can make it challenging for AI to accurately assess collision risks. Aside from this, collision avoidance technology in AI-based dash cams is a step forward in safety that combines cameras, machine learning, AI algorithms, and advanced features to help drivers avoid accidents and stay safe on the road. As technology continues to evolve, these systems will only become more advanced, making our roads safer for everyone.